Hello everybody. Here you can see my Raspberry Pi and it is connected to the breadboard, and on the breadboard you can see that I do have the temperature sensor. So when you look at the monitor right here, we have pretty much everything set up, and now I'm going to insert the code and the sensor will start to give us temperature. To begin the Python script, we import 3 packages: OS, globe, and time. Next, we run the mod probe commands. In the read temp raw function, we open up the file that contains our temperature output. We read all the lines from this and then return it so the code that has this function can use it. In this case, the read temp function calls this function. In the read temp function, we process the data from the read temp raw function. We first make sure that the first line contains yes. This means there will be a line with a temperature in it. If there is a temperature, we then find the line with t equals by using lines 1.find t equal. Lines 1 means we're looking for the second element in the array, in this case the second line. Once we have the line, we simply get all the numbers that are after the t equal, and this is done at lines 1 equals underscore pause plus 2. Equals underscore pause is the start position of the temperature T, and we add 2 to the position so that we actually get temperature numbers. We then convert the number into both Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature. We return both of these to the code that called this function. This function is the print located in the while loop. The while loop is always true, so it will run forever until the program is interrupted by an error or the user canceling the script. It simply calls the read temp with the print function. The print function allows us to see the output on our screen. The script is then put to sleep for 1 second every time it has read the sensor. So here we have the code, and once I press enter, then we will start to get these temperatures. And here you can see there are 2 numbers. On the left you have the degrees in Celsius, and then on the right you have the temperature in Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to put the temperature sensor inside of the bath water, and let's see what we get. So as you can see, I have the temperature sensor inside of the bath water, and so now let's check the monitor to see what the temperature is reading. So now we're back at the monitor, and as you can see, the temperature is reading about 108 degrees Fahrenheit, and this water's been sitting here for a little while, but depending on how you might like your water, you can get this colder or hotter.